everybody, welcome our audience in our channel Learn Cooking. I'm going today to prepare lamb beef. I'm going to cook lamb beef. This is a piece of lamb. We will boil this beef. I have a half kilo of beef of lamb, salt, black pepper, bay leaf, tomato and onion. I have a water. First, I put this beef in the pan, just only beef on a high flame. In this pan, I put pieces of beef. I wash it very well with the fresh water. I put this for about 10 minutes on a low flame with bay leaf and a little of black pepper. As you can follow me. A piece of tomato, onion. On a low flame, I cover the pan for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I put water on them. You can notice that there is water in the pan. This water from the beef. Now you can add more water, about 1 liter of water, to boil the beef well and become well done. And leave the water in the pan with beef for about 1 hour to become well done. You can add the hot water to boil quickly and leave it for about 1 hour to become well done. I don't add salt till now. Now after 1 hour the beef becomes well done. I add the salt and leave them together to boil again for about 5 minutes. After I leave them for about 5 minutes to boil, now the beef is well done. I add all ingredients. It's very delicious. You can eat it now beside pasta, beside white rice, as you like. And the soup is so delicious. I hope you try doing this recipe. I hope you enjoy watching this video. You can add a little of lemon on this soup and you can drink it. It's so delicious. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, activate the bell icon, support me with your opinion.